English class of class nursery C. Okay, in which class you are studying, children? Nursery C. Okay, you all know you are studying in nursery C. And what is the name of your school? The name of my school is Cathedral Senior Secondary School. Okay, what is the name of your principal? The name of my principal is Father Anil Parker. Okay, the name of our principal is Father Anil Parker. Yes, and what is the name of your Hindi ma'am? The name of my Hindi ma'am is Ma'am Reena. Okay, Ma'am Reena. Yes, what is the name of your class teacher? The name of my class teacher is Yes, Ma'am Manika. Very good, children. So this is the English class, children. So we are going to do the recitation first. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. A sugar on my bread. If you don't like it, you better go to bed. Early in the morning, come to me, and I will teach you A, B, C. Clap. Okay, A, B, C. Tumble down D. The cat is in the cupboard and can't see me. Okay, A, B, C. Tumble down D. The cat is in the cupboard and can't see me. Okay, children. Now see, children, today I am going to teach you one important thing also. Now see this. Now this is the chart of ABCD. See, this is the chart of ABCD. I have made a chart of ABCD. Okay. Now see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for arrow, B for ball, C for cat, D for drum, E for eyes, F for flower, F for flower, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, O for orange. Okay, children? So this is there. This is the oral A to Z. You should be able to recognize the alphabets now. Okay, children? Now see. Now today we are going to do the letter F. We are going to do the letter F. CW. Today's date 9/6/21. And this is CW. E tak hum log kar chuke hain na. So today we are going to do the letter F, children. Okay? Alright, children? Okay, children. Now look at the blackboard, everyone. Now look at the blackboard, children, everyone. How we are going to write F? देखो, red line to blue line, standing line. We are going to make red line to blue line, standing line, then sleeping line, one sleeping line and two sleeping line. This is a small sleeping line. Red line to blue line, standing line, okay, sleeping line and sleeping line. Again, red line to blue line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So F for flower. F for flower. Children, you will draw the flower like this. F for flower. F for flower. Okay? Now you are going to make it a straight line. Red line to blue line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, like this. Okay? Yes. Red line to blue line, standing line, children. Then sleeping line, sleeping line. F for flower. F for flower. You will make it a straight line. F for flower, like this. And F for fish. Fish. And what sound does F comes? Pa. Pa. F says pa. F says pa. 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 Flower. Fish. Fan. F for fan. Fan is on the ceiling now. Up. Fan. Flower. Flower. Okay. F for flower. F says pa. What phonic sound it comes? F says pa. Pa. F says pa. Okay. So F for flower. How will you make a flower, children? Make a circle, then join it like this. Like this. Make 5 circles, small circles. Make big circle like this. Then make small circles like this. Like this. Okay. F for flower. F for flower. Like this, children. F for flower. See? And F for fish. You eat fish? F for fish. Fish. F for fish. Now see, children. Now this is my copy. See, this is my copy. See, I set my copy. You are going to write CW. You are going to write the date 9-6-21. Okay, now you are going to make F. How you will make? Red line to blue line, standing line, then sleeping line, then sleeping line. 2 sleeping line. Red line to blue line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Red line to blue line, standing line. Abdul Khabir, make F like this. F for flower. F for flower. Like this, children, you are going to make. Okay, see my copy. F for flower. F says pa. F says pa. See, you will do like this. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This way, okay? F for flower. You will do the same thing in the workbook in the evening. HW in the workbook. Not so much work, 2 pages only for the homework. F for flower, like this. And try to write straight. E लिखना आता है ना सबको. E के बाद F लिखना है. What comes after E? F. F. F for flower. Okay. F for flower. अब flower कैसे बनेगा? बिंदुल उधर सी. Dania, make a circle. Flower is there in your garden, Danya? Flower like this. Okay. F for flower. Like this. You can make like this a circle. Make a circle like this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Flower. Make a circle. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. This way you are going to make F for flower, and the same way you are going to do in the workbook also. F for fish. Trace the line in the workbook. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This is F. F for fish. 1 page, 2 page. You are going to do 3 pages in the workbook, children. 3 pages. Page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28. Okay, in the workbooks. And in the copy you are going to do like this. F for flower. F for fish. F for food. जो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं. Food we eat. Yesterday we did in the nature study now. F for food. F for flower. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. Okay. F for fish. You eat fish? This way you are going to make in a straight line. Vaishnavi, write in a straight line. Okay, if you are not able to write, tell your mummy to draw with a line with a ruler in between. Okay, so this way the writing will come straight. Red line to blue line. Like this. F. Like this. Okay. F for flower. F for flower. What is this flower? Flower. See? F for flower. Okay. F for fish. Okay, children, like this in the copy. And you will color the flower. Veronica. Aradhya, color the flower. Bindul Huda. Then Rayan Kashif, Rayan Ajaz.